ready? Who ready? Who ready? Laid. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hooja, and today we are reviewing a headband wig from True Glory. Today's video is sponsored, but I would never steer you wrong, okay? Like, they're my true opinions, period. So get into this headband wig, cause sis, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling myself. Okay, usually I never have my head, like my full forehead out, but you know, I had to do it because sis, get into this wig. Get into it. I'm feeling this wig so much, like it's scaring me at this point. Like I'm gonna have to text the coordinators like, can you send me some more? True Glory is an Atlanta-based company, and they have all types of wigs, bundles, headband wigs, U-parts, you name it. The quality is amazing. This is my first time actually trying them, so this is like a first time for me and you if you're watching this video. I have heard great things about it from a bunch of my friends, and I'm just like, I was missing out. Like nobody told me. Nobody told me. So I am very excited to review this for you guys today. And honestly, we're just going to go through how to put on a headband wig once again. And we are also going to try on a couple different headbands. But I did do simple styles to where it's just your edges and nothing else out. Because there are different ways that you can wear an actual headband wig. So today is just a simple tutorial on how to wear it. So honestly, we can get into this video. I will have all of the details down below. And while you're at it, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Who's Your Daddy. And also follow True Glory while you at it, because y'all gonna like the wig anyway. So y'all need to stay up to date with like their giveaways, coupon codes, anything. Follow them on their social media as well. All of the details will be down below in the description. But let's just let's get into it. You guys already know what we doing today. It came in this cute little box, okay? And of course, it's from True Glory. They give you a little hair care guide, just like take care of your hair. Wow. They even tell you like the lifespan of the hair, how to take care of it at night. So if you ever are having trouble not finding good tips through YouTube or through me, like they have some good tips too. Nice. You can even follow their social media. So they even have like their Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Most companies don't really send you hair care tips, so I think that's pretty good. This is my first time trying out their quality hair because I saw their Instagram and I was like, I need some of that. So this is actually new. It is new to their site. They dropped a whole line of them. So I actually went to the Virgin Brazilian Headband Wigs tab, and they have the Virgin Brazilian Deep Wave Headband Wig. They also have the Body Wave, and they also have the Straight, which is what I have. And it starts at $118, okay? You feel me? So super cute. So the lengths come in at 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22. I believe I either have the 20 or the 22. I think I lost the sheet. So irresponsible. So irresponsible. But mine is pretty long, so I'm gonna guess it's either 20 or 22. It comes with 100% premium virgin hair, 180% density, breathable headband, built-in wig combs, duh, and adjustable straps. You feel me? It's a headband wig, so it's not gonna be like a super hard tutorial, but you know, I already have another headband wig on my channel, but I haven't reviewed a straight hair wig, so this is gonna be really fun. It's pretty long, okay, sweetie pies, pretty long. So of course you have the headband wig, and I really like this. So I've been seeing like a lot of headband wigs that aren't laying as flat as they should be, but this is pretty flat and that's quality. Okay, babies, you can definitely see the quality in the wig and the band and how it's actually laying. All headband wigs should come with Velcro, and then it also comes with 3 combs, so 1 in the middle, 2 on the side. Okay, and then it also comes with 1 in the back. So really all you got to do is put this bad boy on, and then you are ready to go. It's nice and like thick, no shedding for real. Look, I'm literally like running my hands through it like it gotta pass the test. Nothing. Nice. Nothing. So it's sewn on there pretty tight, and it looks definitely breathable. Say you didn't have like a ball cap on or something. I'm gonna put one on today. So my hair is like freshly, don't judge, my hair is freshly washed. Let's get into these edges, laying our hair down, and let's put this wig on. So I'm gonna take my Extreme Styling Gel. It's the blue. Honestly, I don't even like it that much, but I'm using it until it runs out. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray my head, because once you take out your edges, then it's go time. You feel me? It is go time. Just gonna take some of that gel and just work it in. I mean, you can cornroll your hair if you want to. I just find it a lot easier and less time consuming to slick my hair down. But some people really don't like gel, and that is okay. This is the most time consuming part, is just getting your hair to lay super flat. It's in a super tiny bun. Right before your edges, I like to have that as smooth as possible. So if my hair is in its natural state, I don't have to be worried about having a straight hair wig, deep wave, body wave, whatever. It really shouldn't matter. Just gonna use some mousse, and it is from Motions or Styling Foam, just to really get it laying. Okay, laying. I'm gonna take my wrap strip and I'm going to put that on my head for a little bit, just to really get my edges like doing what it do. I'm an edges girl, and then I'm not an edges girl. Y'all know this. But for this, our edges gotta be laid for the gods. I'm just gonna swoop it out and then swoop it back in. But I am just going to set everything with my wrapping strips and putting on a wig cap. And it can be honestly any color, it really doesn't matter. This wig cap is so big. And I'm gonna have to pull mine back a little bit further because I have like a weird hairline. You can put on the clips, that's your choice. Cap, why are you flying away? Why are you flying away, home skillet? Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Wow, this is cute. I didn't even adjust. I haven't had straight hair in so long, y'all. Like, this is scaring me, because this is just bomb. Like, just what? No. Yeah, I don't think you guys have ever really seen me with like straight hair. In order to like kind of Velcro it and not have all of your hair in the way, just take like a scrunchie. You just want to make sure that all the hair is like kind of like tucked away. That way you can really make sure that the wig is secure and even, so it's like kind of not even on that side. But with the Velcro, all you have to do is literally snap it together. Oh, I feel like a bad bee. A bad bee. So you can part it in the middle if you want to. style it in the middle. You can put it up in a bun. You can do like a side. You can even do like a half up, half down style. I'm just showing you guys like a little versatility since you guys have not seen this on my channel. You could do a higher pony if you wanted to. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of like every basketball girl. I used to be a basketball girl. Why I'm saying it like that? This reminds me of when I used to put my hair up in a ponytail. So let's try them with headbands. So I'm gonna leave it tied up for now, but I'm gonna try it with this cute little headband. I'm just gonna try to line it up and then tie it in the back. Dang, girl. Super cute. Okay, next headband. Hide my black headband. And it's crazy because some people even wear just the plain headband, but this is cute too. This is a vibe. So I do have a black one that I could easily just put on, but it's black, so I mean, it's just gonna be hiding this band. This is basically just band. Do a short band. I mean, this is super cute. I feel like this is like my SZA moment with my butterfly headband, and boom, this is still super cute. I don't see a lot of people do it with like a headscarf. Some people really don't like the look. I'm not the one to do like the bulky headband. I don't know. It's something about them that I just cannot do. They're just not cute to me. But everybody wears them. If you do see me in one, I'm being held hostage. So I told you guys the pricing, the details, everything about this wig. Headband wigs are super simple to put on. You literally just have to either clip it in or just make sure that you secure it. It ain't going nowhere, and all I did was put on the Velcro. Put on the Velcro, and that was it. All I really did was my edges. All I did was put on my edges, and I feel cute. I'm very, very pleased. Period. Like, you would know, you would see it on my face if I wasn't pleased. But I'm like, I'm over the moon. Laid. I thought I was gonna put heat on it, but I'm not. I can't do it. Not yet. All the details will be down below. Pricing, densities, hair type, all that. Shedding, tangling, if it has any. I'll put it in the description if you didn't catch it in the video. And yeah. I will also leave the link down below. I probably will try to get a discount code. I'm gonna see what the ladies say. I don't know what they're gonna say. They might not, but if they do, I will leave it down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll probably put in some TikToks too, so that you guys can see. It's not healthy to be this cute, okay? Not this healthy to be this cute.
Ladies and gentlemen, her.